headed up to the northeast Bushwhacker and Tiny Camper Valley in New Hampshire. Only downside is we're supposed to be getting hit with a nor'easter.
Welcome to New Hampshire.
It's 37 degrees out, and I'm about to go swimming in the river. I don't know what I got myself into. About all that.
It isn't that bad, right?
Put these into.
Honestly, it's colder out there than it is.
Oh, wow. Ooh, okay. I can't feel my fingers.
Graham, what's your favorite number? What's your favorite number? What's your favorite number? Okay. What's your favorite number? Your favorite number? Yeah. That's it. Just think. What's your favorite color?
God.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? Is this what you do down south? Oh my goodness.
I never expected the quiz set.
Well, that's how you just.
Keep your mind off.
Yeah, I just keep my mind off. It's not cold. And breathe.
What's the cosine of 90 degrees?
Has somebody got a timer going?
I'm going with Chris. So's Emma.
Yeah, but just look at the beautiful, beautiful fog coming. All right.
Can't imagine doing this on January 1st.
Honestly, it was easier at the boil.
Really?
Oh, God, it's cold.
Okay, so this is the second annual Polar Dip.
No, this is the
second-
first
This is the
annual.
first here.
Here.
But overall, Bushwhacker.
No,
Second.
Second. Oh, because
The
you
second for
After the
me.
boil.
Okay, yep, because you guys did it at the
Did
boil.
I hear someone say the mud is actually warmer?
It is actually warmer.
It really, it honestly is.
It honestly is. You stick your, like my feet were numb and I was sticking in the mud. It's fine now.
My feet are the only thing that I can feel right now.
Honestly, it's not too bad.
Very well
Just
done.
that initial shock. All right, that's got to be 2 minutes. Like you said,
We're at 2 minutes and 17
like
seconds.
you said, who needs coffee?
Who needs coffee? Okay. This one got pretty deep pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm at my 2 minutes, I'm out. Okay, so that was cold. I was just told that the water is a brisk 52 degrees. Not horrible, but definitely not warm and inviting. I am running as fast as I can, or walking as fast as I can, I should say, to get over to the sauna, which is about 80 degrees, and so I can warm up a little bit.
I never thought I'd see the day that a campground would have a sauna, hot tub, and plunge pool, but this is pretty nice.
That sauce is from my grandmother.
Oh yeah, just like last year.
It's the sauce from last year.
That's cool.
I mean, every sauce is different, right? I'm chunked off to the side, so it's like 40% of the dough ball is turned into one pizza here,
Yeah.
and you just get the air pockets out, get it down as flat as you can, save yourself back to it.
I feel like I'm living my best dream right now. I'm camping, I'm getting a cooking lesson, and Pearl Jam, my favorite band, was just on.
How's it going? Pretty good. How are you? Good. You here for pizza? Yeah. We're taking orders on this list right here.
Pepperoni cups.
No, it's got 35. It didn't even sound like it. Barb, please.
Ooh, nice.
And you're in heaven or a side table.
There you go.
It serves so many purposes. This is good.
Like a 2-foot wide by 5-foot long slab, and then I cut off a strip to
And you made the
to cover
waterfall.
lip, to cover the lip.
I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
that. That's beautiful. Very nice job. Yeah.
And then before the boil, we also added these side panels, which are magnetic. It's a little sheet metal from Home Depot. And then all of the spices, she bought these little lids, have a magnet in them.
Nice.
You stick it on the side, that doesn't bounce off.
We're gonna try it.
You didn't get back, it's all it's gonna be. IDS mobile.
I did get your birds on the side of your thing though.
David, you hanging around all day for the game or? Yesterday I watched the game. Okay, but you're not, yeah, we didn't have to do it.
When they go on sale, like everybody when they went on sale, like oh my kids got one, oh my neighbors got one. Like,
When we're traveling,
Yeah, I got one.
especially no more bad.
Is it just all? Oh, that's right. That was. Oh, so it's not pies. It's pizza pies.
Just little things, you know what I mean? Especially like I said, if you're stock, you know, you aim it up on your on this thing here. Now you have this whole big link system just bouncing off there and stuff like that.
I love the color design that you guys went with. So check it out, like, subscribe, comment. I have been invited to sit inside of the Lunar Rover and get the full 180 experience that when you're inside you can see everything around you. So let's take a look. Got a nice fireplace, a TV, and this is where your 180 experience starts. There's the first window, and then you have the door, and even when the doors are closed, there are windows. And then the spectacular front window that comes with every Lunar Rover is, I mean, this is the view that you wake up to every morning. It's absolutely gorgeous. Moving around, we have another door. And then back over to the window. And you can't get better than that, folks. Like this is beautiful. It's well made. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you, I've had Lunar Rover envy for a while, and I still do. It's been pretty chilly today, and the nor'easter is starting to head in. So, just to be a little bit safe, we have decided to bring in all of our awnings, pretty much most of our setup, and we've actually even hooked up, so tomorrow we don't have to hook up in the rain. We're about to go have Thanksgiving dinner. It's the potluck theme for the evening. We have quite a few Canadians that have come down, and while we're celebrating our long weekend, it is actually their Thanksgiving weekend. So since they gave up their holiday to come join us, we thought it fitting to theme our potluck as Thanksgiving. So I'm going to head up there now. It should be a good time, and then go around and make sure everybody's all set for the crazy storm that is coming in tonight.
Tight spots.
You're great. Go ahead. I'm videoing you.
But it's cute that they have these little things. That's awesome. Pico de gallo. Yeah.
Oh, you're such a hand for the camera.
Baby, I love it.
I love it.
Happy
Thank you.
Thanksgiving!
These are for cutting those up.
So you guessed it, we decided to leave early. It has started raining, not really a big deal for us. We've definitely camped plenty of times in the rain, and I'm sure you're gonna see plenty of videos of us camping in the rain. However, the winds have started picking up, and we have been told that we would be looking at driving through 65-mile-per-hour gale winds just non-stop on the way home tomorrow. So the idea of towing a vehicle while we are driving just did not feel like a good call. Quite a few other campers at the rally did decide to hook up and leave right after dinner. There were a few people that were staying till the morning, but we made sure that everybody was good to go before we left. So we will see you at the next outing. Have a great one.